I'm Jaya. I'm with REEDS Jewelers in Concord, North Carolina and Concord Mills Mall. Being trusted with life's moments with REEDS, it's heartfelt, it's meaningful because there are such special occasions that you go through in your life that are memorable that you're never going to forget. There was a client that we helped. When they were first getting engaged, the fiance-to-be did not have a lot of money. In his track of work that he did, he dealt with a lot of wires and steels, but he really wanted his girlfriend to know how much he loved her, but he couldn't afford a ring at this time. So he made her a ring out of steel wire, twisted it, made it look like almost like a cute eternity band, and slipped it on her hand. 26 years later, she still owns this ring. Last year, they didn't get to celebrate it due to COVID. They wanted to celebrate their 25th anniversary, and she wanted the ring that she's always dreamt of. And we made every resource that we had available to them. Whatever she needed, we made this dream ring happen, and now it's on her finger, and she couldn't be happier.